Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook lamb loin chops. First, begin by patting your lamb chops completely dry with paper towels. This helps create a beautiful crust. Next, season them generously on both sides with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then, let the chops sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes before cooking. This ensures even cooking throughout. This simple preparation is key to a tender and flavorful result. Preheat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's very hot. Add 1 tablespoon of a high-smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place the lamb chops in the hot pan, searing them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they develop a rich, golden brown crust. This initial high heat creates the delicious Maillard reaction. Be patient for that perfect sear. After searing, immediately transfer the pan with the lamb chops to a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches your desired doneness. For medium rare, aim for 135 degrees Fahrenheit, measured with an instant-read thermometer. Remove them promptly from the oven once this temperature is achieved. Precision cooking ensures optimal texture. Once removed from the oven, it is crucial to let your lamb chops rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. Tent them loosely with aluminum foil to retain the heat. Resting allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, preventing them from running out when you cut into them. When ready, slice your chops against the grain for maximum tenderness. This step makes a significant difference in the eating experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.